What's up, guys? It's Dane here with SD Airsoft once again, and I got another unboxing. I know I've been doing a lot of unboxings, but this is from epic.com. This is my new gear. That's really about it. This is about $124. So I'm probably going to be sending this back because this gear is black, and I wanted tan gear. So, I need tan gear, not black, so I'm going to have to ship this back out. And then first off we have the bag of, the UPS bag that always comes. I got 5,000.25 gram BBs. Yeah, 0.25. So that. Here I got a mag pouch. I can't double stack, can't open it because sending it back. Got a map pouch. It's kind of like an admin pouch. Here's the dual pistol mag pouch. I did have backorder items. It was the triple stacker M4 pouch, but that's nothing really special. Here is my packing slip, or yeah, packing slip. And then here's the plate carrier I got. Modulator operated plate carrier. Looks pretty good, but I'm still sending it back, so yeah, I need to tan anyways, so thank you guys for watching. Please rate, comment, and subscribe.